Yo, what's up everybody? It's Nick with Holler Junk Removal out here in beautiful Vista, California. So today we had a customer call us. I just love this business. Had a customer call us. Today I had some bulky trash. I'm like, well, what is it? He's like, well, they're these big metal, aluminum, what are they? They're toolboxes that go in like an E350 van. They're for your electrician, tradesman, or whatever. I'm like, yeah, sure, we'll pick them up. He's like, no, I'm just gonna drop them off. And I'm like, okay. So he came to the yard and dropped them off. We charged him $125 and he dropped them off. They're super nice tradesman boxes for like if you're a plumber, electrician, whatever. Go in your E350. So we'll put these things up on Facebook Marketplace. And check them out, they're super nice. All aluminum. Everything opens on. There's these ones. He just came and dropped them off. I didn't even have to leave my yard. And a whole set of drawers. Check them out. Or he has some bolts in it. They'll lock. So you just gotta love this job. So the guy just called us up, pulled us off our badass website, thehollerjunkremoval.com, and he gave us a call at 760-331-3289. And we said, yeah, come by, drop them off, and we charge them accordingly. So we'll put these things up on Facebook Marketplace, probably for $350, the whole set. So if you need something picked up, give us a call. Or if you're looking for some toolboxes for your E350 or your cargo van, give us a call, 760-331-3289. And we'll either come out and haul your junk, or you come and purchase these boxes. They're super nice.